Hey guys, my name is and I have been part of Wisdom Workshop community from the past 3 months. In this video, I would like to share my wonderful experience at workshop. Initially, when I joined the Wisdom Workshop, I lacked confidence in face-to-face communication with others. However, Wisdom Workshop provides me numerous opportunities to interact with others in person. The faculty at Wisdom Workshop are very supportive and excellent. One of the highlight of the Wisdom Workshop are their engaging debate and conversation sessions, which truly enhance the learning experience. Our English coach, Manu sir, not only guide us to learn English language, but also serves as a motivational speaker, so we can openly discuss our problems and difficulties as a student, and we receive a practical solution to resolve these problems. So I recommend Wisdom Workshop to anyone who wants to enhance their language skills or communication skills.